Okay guys, so what I have here, this is just a little mock-up stand, but I've got a hose here. It's got some twist in it right now. And what I'm gonna do is just push down on the GFX with my hand and watch this fitting. Every time it cycles, it's trying to twist because there's twist in that hose. If I take that hose and twist it the other direction, when I push on the GFX, now the hose is trying to tighten itself, whereas before it was trying to loosen itself. The goal would be to try and find the neutral position, where when you push down on this GFX, it doesn't twist at all. See right there, I'm getting just a little bit of twist. Once it's like that, then you can go ahead and take the wrench, and I can't do it right now with both hands, but then you would tighten up this fitting and they shouldn't come loose.